Hey guys, so it is garden season again. Yes, my favorite time of year. Last season we had quite a few issues.
The grasshoppers are out of control.
They have been eating everything.
Look at this. It's a plague. We filled the beds, but I don't think the soil's very good. We got nothing. Nothing's growing. And our friendly neighborhood fox keeps digging up everything.
But I have a few tricks up my sleeve.
If you remember our soil test, it did not turn out great. I'm really hoping that all of the snow and rain that we got this winter helped filter through some of those extra minerals that we had going on in the soil. I am still going to top them off with some fresh raised bed mix. I already got some of my cold crops going, like I got some carrots, some baby arugula that's barely popping through. Point being, I need to be very careful when I add the soil on top of this. I already took last year's straw off of these beds, but I still need to do these ones.
I am allergic to freaking everything. So I got my N95, I got some gloves, safety first.
If you're careful when you remove the straw, you can reuse it in the spring. You just put down a tarp, pile it on there, and then you don't have to pay for new straw.
Check this out.
Some of my onions are already sprouting through. Boop, boop.
Next, I very carefully added some new raised bed soil. This should help with some of our nutrient issues.
Such a cool boy.
We also installed our drip system, which was super easy. Go check out my previous video about that if you want to learn more. But it should also help leach some of the excess minerals we have in our soil.